Hey there, foodies and health warriors. Jay Healthy Lifestyle here, and today we're whipping up something extra special in the kitchen: homemade chicken deli meat. That's right, you heard me. We're ditching those store-bought packages filled with preservatives and making our own delicious and healthy version right here at home. We're gonna season a nice, juicy chicken breast to perfection, pop it in the oven, and then layer it up with some yummy Swiss cheese on some whole wheat bread for a sandwich that's perfect for lunch or a quick and easy dinner. But hold on, this isn't just any sandwich. It's packed with protein, low in fat, and bursting with flavor. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming recipe videos. All right, let's dive right into making our chicken deli meat. I'm starting with a boneless, skinless chicken breast. Now you want to make sure it's nice and even in thickness so it cooks evenly. You can butterfly it or pound it out a bit if you need to. Next, we're going to season it up. I'm using a simple blend of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika for some color. You can customize your seasonings however you like though. Get creative with it. Now, we're going to bake this chicken breast in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's cooked through. Make sure to use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. It should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While the chicken is cooling, let's talk bread. I'm using whole wheat for added fiber, but you can use your favorite kind. Now for the star of the show, our homemade chicken deli meat. Once it's cool enough to handle, slice it up nice and thin. Look at those beautiful slices. Now layer those slices on your bread, top it with a slice of Swiss cheese, and there you have it, a healthy homemade chicken and Swiss sandwich. Let's talk nutrition, folks. This sandwich is a protein powerhouse. Chicken breast is naturally lean and packed with protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, keeping you feeling full and energized. And because we made it ourselves, we know exactly what went into it. No hidden ingredients or preservatives here. It's real food at its finest. So, whether you're a busy professional, a student on the go, or just looking for a healthy and delicious meal option, this sandwich has got you covered. Now I know what you might be thinking. Can something this tasty actually be good for you? And the answer is a resounding yes. Chicken breast is naturally low in fat, especially when you remove the skin. This makes it a heart-healthy choice that won't weigh you down. And the best part is, it's so versatile. You can use it in so many different dishes, from salads to stir-fries to pasta dishes. The possibilities are endless. But wait, there's more! Chicken breast isn't just a pretty face, it's also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking B vitamins for energy production, selenium for a healthy immune system, and phosphorus for strong bones and teeth. See, I told you this sandwich was good for you. It's like a nutritional powerhouse disguised as a delicious lunch. Now, let's not forget about our other star player, Swiss cheese. Not only does it add a deliciously nutty and slightly sweet flavor to our sandwich, but it also brings some impressive health benefits to the table. Swiss cheese is an excellent source of calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. And we all know how important it is to keep those pearly whites strong and healthy. So, with every bite of this sandwich, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're also giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. But that's not all. Swiss cheese is also a good source of probiotics, which are those beneficial bacteria that live in your gut and play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. Having a healthy gut microbiome is linked to a stronger immune system, improved mood, and even better skin health. So, next time you're feeling a little under the weather, consider reaching for a sandwich with Swiss cheese. Your gut will thank you for it. Remember, folks, it's all about balance. This sandwich is a fantastic addition to a healthy and balanced diet, but it's not about deprivation or restricting yourself. Enjoy it as part of a varied diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is essential for keeping everything running smoothly, so make sure you're drinking plenty of it throughout the day. And the best part about making this sandwich at home is that you know exactly what's going into it. No hidden preservatives, artificial flavors, or other questionable ingredients. Just pure, wholesome goodness that you can feel good about feeding yourself and your loved ones. So ditch those processed deli meats and take control of your health, one delicious sandwich at a time. And there you have it, folks. A healthy homemade chicken and Swiss sandwich that's easy to make, delicious, and good for you. It's the perfect lunch or light dinner option that will keep you feeling satisfied and energized. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what you thought of this sandwich and how you like to customize your own. Thanks for watching, everyone. Until next time, happy cooking!